Hey everyone, we're just gonna do a little test here to show you how to tape up your tumbler for the new tumbler press. Just wanted to show you how I tape it for a full wrap. So you can see I've taped it really tight as I can get it, around the top and the bottom, and then I also tape it right up the seam. So I'm not a pro at doing these, so
let's hope it turns out.
This is what I've learned.
The pressure's on.
Watching all the experienced people. So we're going to press it. I'm just going to check my. We're going to press it at 180 Celsius, and we're going to press it for 45 seconds. So it shouldn't be too long, and it'll be up to temp. While we're doing that, I'm just going to just do a quick check here of my pressure, which needs to be tightened up just a bit. Okay. Now, you don't have to have this so tight that you can't like squeeze it, but I don't want to put that in there too long. But it should be tight enough.
Should be firm, right?
Yeah, it should be. Okay, so just check that.
You don't really want a torque on the.
Perfect.
There we go.
So, yeah, it's almost to temp. Got anything to add, Mike?
I am just a innocent bystander. If this doesn't turn out, I accept no responsibility.
Yeah, me either.
Oh, thanks.
It's been a long week, and it's only Wednesday. So we're going to do this in 4 presses. So first I'm going to press it for 45 seconds one way. I'll do it with the seam down, and then I'll turn it 180 degrees, press it for an additional 20 seconds. And once that's done, then I'm just going to press the ends just to make sure that it has a full press. For 20 seconds, turn it, 20 seconds, and then flip the tumbler, do it for 20 seconds, and then 20 seconds again. And then you do a cold peel. So, okay, so this is at temperature. So
here we go.
So we're going to do seam side down. You just center it. Okay, and then you push your little green button to start your timer. And I'm just going to grab a heat glove. I will need it. Okay. If you don't have heat gloves, we do have them in the shop now. Well, we will tonight once I add them.
Are you putting them in tonight?
Yeah. Okay.
No.
Almost. Okay.
And there you go.
Okay. And then we turn it, put the seam side up, close it, and start the timer again.
And how long do you do the second one for?
For 25 seconds.
Okay, so you quit at 20. It was set for 45.
Yeah. Okay, so now just gonna start it again, and then
How long?
20 seconds.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna turn it and close it again. Okay, and turn it on again. Put the end in, press it for 20 seconds.
Okay.
You know, people complain that maybe this takes too long, but consider 10 minutes in an oven and having to wrap it with shrink wrap or tape. So it's all in personal preference, I think. But I quite like this.
Yeah.
Cross my fingers that it turns out.
Well, we won't be showing this video if it doesn't. We'll be doing it again. Is that how we work?
That's how it works, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we show our
kerfuffles? Yeah.
Okay, and that's that. And shut your press off.
Okay.
And then we sit it. We hold it.
We hold it because now we have a heat glove.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
I wasn't able to do that before.
No.
Yeah. So I'm crossing my fingers here. I could probably peel a little bit of the tape. Okay. This end I taped up really well.
Yeah. Oh, getting it.
Can I wait? I don't know. I'll still leave the cross ones on.
You did what?
I'll leave the ones
Yeah.
until it cools a bit more. You can put it in front of a fan if you want to cool it faster. Here's the finished product. You can see where I didn't tape it quite tight enough at the top and the bottom, but overall it came out really nice. There's just a couple tiny little spots that could have been wrapped a little bit tighter. My turntable, I think, is going to run out of battery, so just bear with me. It's almost done turning. Okay, there you go.